kids. Today we will see unit number 24, transport. We do not sit home all the time. We need to go out to different places for different jobs at different times. Children, your mother goes to the market, right? She may go in the morning or she may go in the afternoon or in the evening also. But your father goes to the office. He goes to the office in the fixed time, means he goes in the morning and come back in the evening, right? If you have brother or sister, he goes to his or her friend's house or in the school. Means everyone goes to different place for different jobs at different times. Some places are near and some places are far. Some places are very far away. We go to school. Every day we go to school. Our parents go to work. We need to go to the market. Sometimes we may go to meet our relatives or friends. Some of our relatives live in other towns or cities which are very far. Children, all of us have relatives that live in other towns or in other cities which are very far. We go and stay with them during vacation. Whenever you got vacation, you go to your mama's house, your uncle's house, right? And you stay there for some days or for some weeks. We walk down if the place is near. If the place is near for you, then you will go there by walking. We need vehicles if the place is far away. If the place where we want to go is not near, is far, then we use vehicles like bike, car, etc. Going from one place to another is called transport. Children, transport means going from one place to another. Vehicles are the different means of transport. Different means of transport are vehicles. Now we will see means of land transport. Land transport means vehicles that run on the land. Okay, vehicles that run on land. First one is the Tonga. Second, you all know this and you love this. This is the bicycle. This is auto rickshaw. Next, bus. Next is the scooter. These are some examples of land transport like Tonga, bicycle, bus, auto rickshaw, scooter. There are many more means of land transports are there. What is this, children? This is the aeroplane. Aeroplane is the air transport. Why? Because aeroplane runs on air. So it is the air transport. Now next one is the train. Train is a land transport. And ship. Ship sails on water. So it is the water transport. Now let's see the uses of these different vehicles. We go by train to other towns and cities. If we want to go to other towns and cities like Ahmedabad, Mumbai, etc., Pune, then we will use the train. We go by an aeroplane when we want to reach fast or when we want to go to other countries which are very far away. If we want to go to UK, America, London, etc., etc., different countries, then we have to use aeroplane. And another use of aeroplane is we can go Delhi by train also and by aeroplane also. If we want to reach the Delhi very fast, then we will use the aeroplane. But if we don't want to reach there fast, if we are not in a hurry, then we can use train to go to Delhi. Traveling by air is expensive. Air traveling is very expensive. Vehicles like scooters and cars run on petrol. Scooter and cars runs on petrol. Bus and truck run on diesel. Scooter and car requires petrol to run, while bus and trucks require diesel to run. Petrol and diesel are very precious. Also, they are very expensive today. We should try to save them. We should try to save petrol and diesel. If the place is near, then we should go there by walking or by cycling. We use vehicle to save time, but we must walk or go on a cycle to nearby places. Walking and cycling are good for health, save fuel and prevent pollution. We should use vehicles only when we need to use them. Use vehicles only when we need to use them, otherwise you go by cycling or walking. If we do not take care of our vehicles, they give out a lot of smoke which can cause pollution. Vehicles can give out a lot of smoke that can cause air pollution and also it can harm our body. So we should save petrol and diesel and we should use minimum vehicles. Now we will move towards the hard words. Transport, relatives, relatives, friends, friends, vacation, vacation, tonga, tonga, bicycle, bicycle, auto, auto, rickshaw, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, scooter, scooter, aeroplane, aeroplane, train, train, countries, countries, travelling, traveling, expensive, precious, diesel, diesel, fuel. Now question number 2, answer the following questions. Number 1, what is transport? Answer is moving from one place to another is called transport. Second, why do we need to go to places? Answer is to do job, to buy things, to meet friends and relatives. Which vehicles run on petrol? Scooters and cars run on petrol. Which is the fastest means of transport? The fastest means of transport is aeroplane. How do vehicles cause pollution? Answer is vehicles give out a lot of smoke and cause pollution. Now question number 3. How many wheels do the following have? Scooter. Scooters have how many vehicles? It has 2 vehicles. Car, 4 vehicles. Auto rickshaw, 3 vehicles. 3 wheels. Truck, more than 8. Truck has different number of wheels, depends on the truck. Train has many wheels. Bus, 4 wheels. Now question number 4. Write the names of the vehicles in the correct column. Here in the brackets, vehicles name are given: scooter, jeep, truck, bus, aeroplane and ship. You have to separate these vehicles. If the vehicle uses petrol, you have to write it under the petrol column. And if the vehicle uses diesel, you have to write it under the diesel column. So scooter and jeep comes under the petrol column because it requires petrol to run, while truck, bus, aeroplane and ship uses diesel to run. So they will come under the diesel column. Now question number 5 is fill in the blanks. Number 1. Moving from one place to another is called, as you know, it is the transport. We go to school by bus. We go to school by bus. Also you can write when. We use dash for the transportation. We use vehicles for transportation. Dash and cycling are good for health. Answer is walking and cycling are good for health. Auto rickshaw has dash wheels. Auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. Now see the picture and write the correct word from the bracket. Okay, let's see. First picture is train. So you have to find the spelling of train from the bracket and write it under the picture of train. So, in the bracket, first one is given scooter. So we will find scooter from the pictures and write the scooter in the picture of the scooter. Second option is bus. Where is bus? Bus is the third number. So we will write their bus. Next, bicycle. Where is bicycle? Second picture is bicycle. So write their bicycle. Next is aeroplane. Write aeroplane in the picture of aeroplane. Next, Tonga. And next is the train. Okay, this is very easy and very interesting exercise. Okay, here is our lesson number 24 over. Children, you have to write hard words, fill in the blanks in your notebook once and fill other exercise in your textbook. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.